Your comfort is our top priority. I'm Adeline at your service. How may I assist you?
Good afternoon. I have a reservation under my name, Chelsea Blair Sumapo.
Certainly, ma'am. May I please see your valid ID for verification?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you, ma'am. Let me check your booking. Alright, Miss Sumalpo. I see your reservation here for 3 nights and a pet house room. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, that's correct.
Wonderful. But before we proceed, do you have any special requests or preferences for your stay, room view, extra fellows, and early wake-up calls, or anything else? We can assist you, ma'am.
I would like an extra fellow room with a view.
Noted, ma'am. We will do our best to accommodate your request. Now, may I ask how will you settle your payment, ma'am?
I will be paying by card.
Thank you, ma'am. Please note that the security deposit is 1,000 pesos. This is required and will be refunded upon checkout.
That's fine.
Great. Here is your pay card, ma'am, and also your room number is room 67, located in the 15th floor. Breakfast will be served by 6:30 a.m. in the dining area, and our amenities is pool, gym, and spa. And if you have any additional requests, please don't hesitate to contact the branches.
Thank you very much.
You're most welcome, ma'am. Thank you for choosing Grand Rizal Hotel and also enjoy your stay with us.